Today, we will show you the difference between a traditional business and entrepreneurial innovation in the hospitality industry. Our example is Jollibee, one of the most well-known fast food chains in the Philippines. On the traditional side, Jollibee operates as a fast food restaurant. Customers visit the store, order their favorite meals like Chicken Joy or Jolly Spaghetti, and enjoy dining in. In the classic business model, face-to-face service, dine-in and take-out. On the innovation side, Jollibee embraced modern solutions. They created the Jollibee delivery app and partnered with GrabFood and Foodpanda to reach more customers. They also introduced eco-friendly packaging. The traditional business shows stability and familiarity, while entrepreneurial innovation brings creativity and growth. That's why entrepreneurial innovations help industries grow and adapt to the changing world.